This is ZTE Axon 25G, and in today's video I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So first of all, you will need to open any search that you use. I usually go for Google, so I recommend that you use it as well, but you can do as you please. Then type in the Fortnite APK. Among the search results that the search engine will provide you with, you gotta look for either epicgames.com or Fortnite.com website. Either one of those is fine. Then go for the web page, or rather open the web page. Then confirm that you would like to download the file. After that, open the file. Grant Google Chrome or any other browser that you use the following install unknown apps permission. Then confirm the Epic Games Store app installation. Once installed, we will go ahead and launch it. Onwards, you gotta open the Fortnite game page and tap the install button over there. So as you can see, after the game was downloaded but yet to be installed, the system asks that we grant Epic Games Store the same permission I did for Google Chrome, which is install unknown apps. So let's do exactly that, and then confirm the Fortnite installation. Once the game gets installed, you can just go ahead and launch it. And in here, the last step is to wait until the Fortnite will download or finish downloading all the necessary updates and resources, which are almost 7 gigabytes in size. So be prepared that this process might take a while, and after that you will be able to start playing the game already. So that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.